Hello everyone. In today's session we are going to discuss on how we can add a footer to our website. And to begin here I can launch our website to see how it works. So I can double click on this folder we have stored our website. And then for those who have not watched all these, you can visit our area practicals and see how we have inserted all these. So we can open our main, we can right click it and maybe open with Google Chrome. You can open it with that's our website. So you can see the one that is not added here, we don't have something on the footer that we can see it relates to our website. So what we need just to do is we can just open this where we have this footer. Where we have this, we can just open and then we go to the index.html. So here we need to create our footer here. So remember it has the tag which is the footer and then we can have the corresponding closure of it, which you can still copy. These are tag element of footer. And then from here maybe we can give the style to this footer. Then we can set a style and then we can give it maybe is equals to background color, and then the background color, this one we can give it to be maybe black. That way. And then inside it is maybe we can have another we can have our header. We can give the header, we can use header 3, we have not used header 3. And then we can have a corresponding closure of it. That's it. And then here we can give the style also. And say this maybe our style is equals to color. And this color we can give it what? Remember here we need to give the opening quotation. Color maybe we can say this one is equals to red. No, it has have yellow. And then we can give also another style, maybe we can say text align. Text align. Maybe we say center. Maybe we say set align, maybe center. That way. And then we can give our heading, which is maybe contact us through. You can say contact us maybe through social media. Contact us through social media, and then let us try to save it and refresh. We see. And here you can see we have a very good footer here on this. We can still proceed on it and see how it works. We can still proceed on it. So what else do we need to add to this social media? You can give also another division here. You can give another division there, and because maybe there is one that I had already created, I can maybe copy from here through this division, and then I can give this, take that, then copy it, then come to our index here, and then I can be able to paste it. So remember, in this, the only thing that I'm giving here is just the alpha side and then the spacing. Then I can click that, then I can refresh, and there we have it with this email then online. So remember to have this page. That's why we are using. You can see this is not shown. If I try to remove this this spacing, it's just a one space like that. If I try to refresh it here and refresh here, the difference is that this space reduces. But if you want to have that space, you can just use the ampersand then n, the ampersand then NBSP. You can even have, if you want to enlarge that, you can still add it. So that is how you can add the footer to this our website. That is how you can add the footer. And remember also, we can have the social media here, and to have these social medias here, maybe I can use the one that I had already created here, and then instead now I can just take this division out to that point, and then I can copy it again, and then I can put it where I can put it here. This is a listed list, a link. We don't use the list, so that you can see how it works, and then we can refresh. So there is nothing that you can see. There is nothing that you can see. There is nothing that you can see. The only reason that you cannot see anything, it is because when you look at this, there is an external CSS from the W3 schools, so which link that, so I can just use this styling from here, this, and see if it will work. Then copy this, and then come to our index. So from this index we have all this here. Then at the top there, let me try to insert our style. Let's see if it is going to reflect here. And then I can try to refresh. Yeah, good. And there you can see we have these, although they are very small. There's a 3 tabs, that is maybe contact us through this social media, about the Facebook, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can see their images are there. So let me see where we can enlarge so that you can see if it is going to work properly. Let me use their margins. Let's try to increase this one to maybe 40. This one to be maybe 40. Then you can save it and see. Forty still is not big enough. Give it to borders, we give it to be 70. Then this one can increase it to be 60. And then let us try to refresh it a bit. So you can see here we have the Facebook, we have the Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Yahoo with their symbols reduced there. So that is how simple we can add the footer. And remember, we can also do it to all the other, to all these other ones, to all these other styles that we have included, including this registration. So what we need to do is just to come here, just to come there, then give a space, and then from that space we can paste that. And then after pasting that, what we need to go, we can just come to that is the advantage of using the code, because you can use the code from press to press, and then from there we can be able to come and get the codes that we have already added here for the footer, this, and then we can copy them still, and then we can come and paste them at the bottom here. At the bottom there, and then we can save it that way, and then we can refresh this. So if you come to registration here at the footer there, you can see we still have our code. If we want to add to maybe to our handvat here, which we had.
Tigania Technical and Vocational College netongerete kirimoritani jamote ya mwanya netoritanaga courses chia ICT, Business and Finance, Building and Civil Engineering, Agriculture, Hospitality and Cosmetology, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering na ingi kathomba. Kiandikithia na ndikire intake ya September ya yitite na mbere.
Nditagwa Wilfred Kimathi Okamunde, Principal Tigania Technical and Vocational College. Application September Dict ni ciendelete na itukuria arito ba apply mbele ya tariki 21 muri joina na mwaka juju. You are welcome.
Kumenya manto nkuruki turingire thimu gukurukira 0745 911 518. Email netiganiaeasttvc@gmail.com. Na website netiganiaeasttechnical.ac.ke. Tigania East Technical and Vocational College. Technical skills and innovation for self-reliance and sustainability.
So you can also add this footer to this advert, and then to do that you need to open the advert, this, and then here after the video tag, after this video tag, we can just come here and paste it that way, and then still you can go to about us after the section here. After the section there, we can also add it there that way, and then still you can save it, and then we can try to refresh this. So you can see here we still have only that we have not added the CSS to them so that they can look a bit neat. So that is how you can add the footer to our website. And that brings us to the end of this video. I was your trainer Maurice Monene. If you found this video of importance to you, please consider subscribing, like and share it so that it can reach more students and more audience can be added to our channel so that we can bless this channel. Thank you.